10 Things Rich People Do That the Poor Don't. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Have you ever looked at a rich person and wondered, what are they doing that I'm not? Or rather, what are you doing that is keeping you poor? Before we jump into the video, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. We should all be studying the things the rich do and should be actively doing them ourselves. Here's a compilation of advice taken from wealthy people that you can use to get closer to your financial goals. 1. The rich believe in the law of income. The rich believe that they will be paid in direct proportion to the value that they deliver to the marketplace. In other words, if they are integral in forming a product that nearly everyone in the world wants or needs, then they should be compensated accordingly. Poor people believe that we should all be paid the same amount regardless of the outcome that we produce. With this mentality, innovation would likely end and the poor would still be poor, and on top of this, everyone else would be poor along with them. 2. The rich focus on opportunities, not obstacles. It's all a matter of perspective. The poor often see obstacles and quickly give up, while the rich see opportunities and enter arenas that many wouldn't dream of. 3. The rich associate with positive, successful people. Rich people know that attitude is everything. If they continually hang out with people that complain, then they will likely start doing the same thing. If, however, these people start hanging around individuals that continuously talk about success, opportunity, and the positive things in life, chances are they will see the world from an entirely different perspective. Instead of the world being a horrible place to live, it suddenly becomes a glowing land of success and opportunity. 4. The rich are willing to promote themselves and their value. Rich people aren't afraid to tell you what they're great at. Most of the time, they aren't embellishing. It's the truth. Poor people might be great at many things, but they always seem to downplay them. Therefore, you assume their skills are just that, nothing. If you want to be wealthy, you must learn how to become a salesperson and at the very least, sell yourself. 5. The rich grow bigger than their problems. The poor see a problem and they chalk it up to bad luck and quit trying. The rich run into problems and might scratch their heads for a little while, but they don't give up. They'll work and work until they discover a solution to the problem so they can win in the end. 6. The rich think both. The poor think either or. Economists came up with the opportunity cost long ago. Simply put, this means that if you choose one thing, then you're ultimately foregoing something else. This is how poor people think too. They have a set amount of money and they think that they can either spend it on one thing or another, but not both. Sounds logical, doesn't it? But the rich focus on how they can get both. 7. The rich focus on net worth, not working income. Poor people often talk in terms of hourly pay, whereas wealthy people know that an hourly income is not nearly as important as someone's net worth. One can earn quite a lot of money per hour, but if they don't learn to keep any of it, they will still be broke in the end. The rich person knows that a large net worth will provide many opportunities and will create more wealth in the future. 8. The rich constantly learn and grow. Many kids today think that they'll be able to work just as hard enough to graduate from school and then they won't have to pick up another book for the rest of their lives. They might turn this dream into a reality, but they'll likely be poor forever. The rich starve for knowledge because they know that the more they learn, the more likely they are to succeed. The average millionaire reads one nonfiction book a month because they want to grow themselves into the person they want to be. The average broke person will read nothing and will never change. 9. The rich don't mind taking the hard road. The wealthy don't mind taking the hard road because they have a long-term mindset. Their current life might be difficult, but they know their actions today could benefit them tremendously in the future, so they trudge along and keep their eye on the prize. By staying focused and doing things the rich do, many of them will become successful and wealthy as well. 10. Rich people take responsibility for their own failures. Rich people take up the responsibilities for their failures. They use it to learn how to improve, and in turn improve their own self-worth. This will result in making more money for the same activities, or doing less for the same kind of money. For poor people, it's always someone else's fault. They don't own up to their mistakes. The problem with that is they cannot improve. They don't learn from the mistakes. Thinking that way closes all the doors to improving your money earning skills. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.